Are you looking to change your phone number on Discord? You're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your number on the Discord app from your PC, especially with the latest update. First, launch the Discord app on your computer. Once it's open, look to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on the gear icon next to your username to access the settings. On the next screen, make sure you're in the user settings menu. If you aren't already here, simply click on My Account from the list on the left side. This is the area where you manage your personal information and settings. Now in the center of the My Account screen, you'll notice a section for your phone number. To update it, click on the Edit button located to the right of the phone number field. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your updated phone number. Go ahead and type in the new number you want to use. Next, you'll need to complete some security checks. This step helps keep your account safe. Once those checks are done, Discord will send a 6-digit code to the new phone number you just entered. Grab that code and type it into the designated field on the screen. Finally, you'll need to enter your Discord password for verification. Once you've done that, click the Confirm button. And just like that, your phone number is updated. Now you're all set with your new phone number on Discord. It's easy, right? Enjoy staying connected with your friends.